Alright, I am recording, Ron. Go ahead and talk and I'll send you a copy. You have to bear in mind I got some QRM here. Air conditioner's going and got a lot of bugs in the woods.
Understood. So yes, this is Kilo India 5 Alpha Golf Sierra for mic check. And boy, did it not rain today, and that was awesome because I got to ride my bike for once in about, feels like forever, but probably 2 months. And it is nice and hot outside. So I know you're enjoying all the bugs. Haha.
Yep, it is coming through loud and clear, and I don't know what is up with the LCD panel. It is crystal clear right now and absolutely perfect. It has been clear ever since I hooked it up, so I think maybe that was just a little bit of cobweb or bug in there from not being turned on in a million years. And now it is working 100%, so I'm definitely not ordering the new LCD panel for it. I mean, it's completely eligible, tongue twisted, but if I can get it into focus, I'll show you.
Yeah, no, that sounds good. So yeah, a little over 25 watt output on high, that's good, and about 5 watt is low, and yeah, if that LCD's working, hey, that's great. It probably just needed another kick in the butt, you know, from rattling around. But yeah, definitely get a video, you know, a screenshot of it, send it to me, I'll be happy. I ended my transmission early. And, when is it? I'm seeing you, oh man, it's going to be a week from now. Oh well, guess I have to wait. Good things come to those who wait. Kilo India 5, Alpha Golf Sierra.
The only thing I'm seeing that's not working is the keypad on the microphone doesn't seem, the numbers don't seem to be working, but I'll send you a picture of that too if it shows up in the dark. The connector could be redone. There's a lot of bare wire right where the microphone is going into the radio, so I'm thinking that's probably just a wiring issue. There's also a couple switches here now that I'm looking at it. I might have something turned off, but other than that, it seems to be working 110%. I mean, it's actually, it's 1-to-1 on my, well, that's measuring the antenna, but 1-to-1 on the frequency here, and it is, yeah, maybe a couple of watts over the rated power of 25 watts. And honestly, this battery, I've got it hooked to the battery out of the sailboat, and it is only putting out little 12.9 volts at the moment. So if it's doing that at 12.9 volts, you're probably going to pick up a couple watts if you hook it up to a good hot battery driving down the road. I posted a thing on Facebook and tagged you. I don't know if you saw that, but I could not find my electric tape. I had to use some Scotch tape to do the connections, but I did solder them before I Scotch taped them. But I will redo that better when I find my electric tape.
Oh yeah, all much super appreciative there. Now, quick question: do you have your your mobile radio handy right there that you can just plop the power and antenna to it, and so I can hear the difference? Because that might still sound crappy, but I think it's because of probably those bad wiring in the mic port. It's totally audible. I can hear what you're saying, but definitely I might need to find a mic fix if that's the issue. So if you can transfer to the other radio, if you can, I'd like to hear that again.
No, not tonight. Yeah, you don't need another mic. I think you just need to redo the connection on this one. It's actually got Phillips head screws that hold the connection together. So I'm thinking you can just chop that wire off, unscrew it, and redo that wire connector. You know, it's kind of like a USB cable where it gets all frayed at the end, right where it plugs in. That's the only problem. So if it is a mic issue, I think that'll resolve it. The other end of the mic, the end of my hand looks perfect. So I don't think you'll need another mic. But anyway, I'm going to cut the video off at the 5-minute mark where I can send it to you on Facebook. But I will post it right now, and you can log in and see it from this end. Might look a little out of focus because it's dark out here, but you'll get the audio anyway. November 5, Lima Romeo Echo to KI5AGS, over and out.